Have you ever watched a video where everything is black and white except one color that pops so vibrantly it grabs your attention? Maybe a red car in a grayscale scheme. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Color isolation, and with just a few clicks in CapCut, you can create cinematic and eye-catching visuals that will make your video stand out. Whether you're making a short film, a music video, or just to add some creativity to your social media posts, this trick will instantly level up your editing game. Now, if this is your first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video. That way you will not miss out on more tech tips that are released on a weekly basis. First, make sure you import your clip to CapCut. So I click open. Now after you click open, drag the video to your timeline. So here we have 3 cars. We want to isolate red among the 3 cars. To do that, select the clip, make sure you click on it. To the right, you will see a place called adjustments, just somewhere around the advanced area. Click adjustment. Now after you click adjustment, you will see an option called HSL. Click on it. Now on HSL, what we are going to do is select the other colors and then reduce only the saturation. Okay, only the saturation we are reducing. So come to yellow, click reduce saturation. Yes, reduce the saturation, and then come to red. Then on the red, increase it. By the time you play your clip, so you can see all the other colors are isolated.